Let's change time to non-military time, or from 24-hour time to 12-hour time. Here we have timestamps, and we could go to this, say, column. We have some timestamps in, and format, number. We have to go down to custom date and time and pick out one that has the right thing. We have to choose the hour, AM, PM, apply, and sure, we could do that, but can we do this automatically? I'm going to share with you actually a little trick, which is in our number format, we merely have to add AM/PM. So I'll show you that in our app script. Let's go to app script. Let's create a function, change format, and it's going to be a fairly simple function variable. SS equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet. This just gets the entire workbook we're on. Variable sheet1 equals ss.get sheet by name, sheet 1. That is just the name here, whatever sheet you're on. And we'll just create a range here, sheet1.getRange A2:A. What this means is we are going to this workbook on this sheet, sheet 1, in the A column. And we're saying A2 because I don't want to change the format of the header. Okay, go to timestamps, set number format. We're just going to merely change this format to include a 12-hour time. So day/mm/YYY space hour, which is just H, colon, little m for minutes, seconds, and then space. And now here is the trick, AM/PM. You can do A/P, but you'll only have A or for AM or P for PM. But AM/PM gets you AM and PM. And it will change from 24-hour time to 12-hour time. If I did not include this AM, PM, or even A or P, if I left this like this particular format, this would be 24-hour format. Let's save this, and now let's run this and see what happens. Well, first off, we're going to have to authorize it. It says execution started and completed, and there it is. Yes, on our left side, our timestamps have changed it too. So how do we actually do this automatically? We have run this function. We've click run, but I don't want to come in here to AppScript every time and click run. Over on the left side, we have triggers. Let's click that, and over on the bottom right, add trigger. Here we'll choose which function to run. If you have multiple functions, there'll be a list here. Change format. And instead of from spreadsheet, I'm going to do time driven. Let's just run this every day. Let's run it at the end of the day, 5 to 6 p.m. or in the beginning of the day, like 3 to 4 a.m. Before I come in, I want to make sure all my timestamps are 12-hour time. Click save. And now every single day between 3 and 4 a.m., this is going to change the format. So in case any other formats have happened, we'll have it. Now we have this triggering every single day, so our timestamps will remain this. If we're adding more timestamps later on in a different format, every single day they will be reformatted to this particular type. If you want to edit this, not every day, but maybe you want to do it every hour or every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just to keep on it, you can change that here to the interval, click save, and that will save your trigger to those time format. Hopefully you learned something really awesome, little trick to get you to change time, this 24-hour time to non-military time to 12-hour time. Enjoy, get more out of your Google Sheets. Subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets, it really helps.